The Stock Point. Learn how to earn.
Welcome to our comprehensive guide on analyzing an initial public offering, IPO. Discover the benefits and risks of investing in IPOs. Learn about the IPO analysis framework and its components. Understand the importance of financial analysis in evaluating an IPO. Explore the key elements of industry analysis and its impact on IPO evaluation. Evaluate the company's strengths and weaknesses through comprehensive company analysis. Analyze the market and competition to make informed investment decisions. Discover the process of valuation analysis and its significance in IPO evaluation. Uncover the key information provided in the IPO prospectus and filings. Consider market conditions and timing when evaluating an IPO. Learn about the importance of due diligence in the IPO evaluation process. Make the final investment decision by assessing various factors. Summarize the main points covered in this comprehensive guide. Understanding the industry in which the company operates is essential for assessing its growth prospects and competitive position. Industry analysis involves the following steps. Industry overview. Determine the size of the industry and its growth rate. A larger market with favorable growth prospects can be more attractive. Assess whether the industry is cyclical or recession-resistant. Some industries are more resilient during economic downturns. Analyze the barriers that may prevent new competitors from entering the industry. High barriers can indicate reduced competitive threats. Identify and evaluate current market trends and growth drivers. Look for technological advancements, regulatory changes, or shifts in consumer behavior that may impact the industry. Analyze the competitive landscape, including the number and strength of competitors. Consider whether the industry is fragmented or concentrated. Identify the industry leaders and assess the company's competitive position relative to its peers. Understand the regulatory framework governing the industry. Regulatory changes can have a significant impact on business operations and profitability. Conduct a SWOT analysis to identify the company's strengths and weaknesses within the context of the industry. Also, assess external opportunities and threats. Industry analysis helps investors gauge the company's potential for growth and its ability to navigate industry-specific challenges. Company analysis delves into the specifics of the IPO candidate, including its business model, management team, products or services, customer base, geographic presence, intellectual property, partnerships, corporate governance, and the intended use of IPO proceeds. Understand the company's core business model, revenue streams, and key value propositions. Assess the sustainability and scalability of the business. Evaluate the qualifications and track record of the company's management team, including the CEO, CFO, and key executives. Experienced leadership is often a positive sign. Examine the company's product or service offerings. Assess whether they meet customer needs and if there is potential for innovation or expansion. Analyze the diversity and loyalty of the customer base. A broad and loyal customer base can provide stability and growth opportunities. Determine the company's geographic reach and its strategy for international expansion, if applicable. Identify any patents, trademarks, or proprietary technology that the company owns. Intellectual property can be a valuable asset. Assess any strategic partnerships or alliances the company has formed. Partnerships with established players can enhance growth prospects. Review the company's corporate governance practices, including board composition, executive compensation, and shareholder rights. Understand how the company plans to use the proceeds from the IPO. Assess whether the allocation aligns with growth and strategic objectives. Company analysis provides a detailed picture of the IPO candidate, helping investors evaluate its strengths, weaknesses, and growth potential. Market and competitive analysis involves understanding the company's target market, competitive positioning, market share, pricing strategy, marketing and sales strategy, growth strategy, and customer acquisition and retention efforts. Define the company's target market segments and assess the size and growth prospects of each segment. Determine how the company positions itself within the market. Is it a low-cost leader, a premium provider, or an innovator? Assess the company's current market share and its potential for market share expansion. Analyze the company's pricing strategy and its competitiveness relative to industry peers. Understand the company's marketing and sales efforts, including advertising, distribution channels, and customer acquisition strategies. Examine the company's growth strategy, including plans for geographic expansion, product diversification, or acquisitions. Evaluate the company's customer acquisition cost, CAC, and customer lifetime value, CLV. A favorable CAC to CLV ratio can indicate efficient growth. Market and competitive analysis provide insights into the company's ability to gain market share and sustain competitive advantages.